Audio Jungle.
అందరూ అన్నీ చెప్పేశారు. సో ఇంకా there is nothing new to talk, but yes, very very important. When Puri Garu wrote this script Mehbooba, ఆయన చాలా క్లారిటీగా రాస్తారు. విజువల్స్ నుంచి డైలాగ్స్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ నరేషన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు హీ జస్ట్ షోస్ ద హోల్ ఫిల్మ్. సో టీమ్ అందరికీ when he finished the narration, literally all of us, we started shivering because he has written with so much clarity. Now how do you execute it? How do you show those visuals? How do you take the whole team there, and how do you work on the emotions or costumes or set or everything? But our team, I'm telling you, we have the best team. From our art director to our DOP to our fight master, our editor, our costumes department, or the execution department, the casting department, each and every one, I wholeheartedly thank you. First, it is because of you why this kind of result, what you're seeing, Anil, for the CG scale, each and every one, it is thanks to them is why you can mainly see this product out. So, and each and every one, we all love to work with Puri sir, and everyone wholeheartedly worked for this film for one of the main reasons, that is everyone loves to work with Puri sir. So thank you so much. And yes, Akash, Neha, Vishu, and we have many fantastic actors in this film. Akash, Neha, these people, they're like kids, you know. You tell them anything, they are ready. You tell them to jump from the mountain, they are ready. You tell them to go into the snow and not wear sweater or jackets and run in the chase, they are ready, you know. And that is one of the main reasons why the film looks so real today. They don't want touch-ups, they don't want hair, makeup, nothing. Run means run. Go inside the bomb blast, and especially Akash. I mean, there's 2 huge war sequences with some 800 soldiers and bombs, and oh my God, it was crazy. And you tell anything to do, he's ready. He's just going inside the bomb, he's going inside the water, cold water, fighting with soldiers, getting dirty in the mud, doesn't care. So hats off. I'm really really lucky that we have such fantastic team and fantastic actors. And yes, May 11th మీ ముందుకి రాబోతుంది. దిల్ రాజు గారికి చూపించినప్పుడు నాకు ఫస్టే మీరు చూపిస్తున్నారు, ఆయన అప్రిషియేట్ చేస్తే చేస్తారు, నచ్చితే నచ్చింది అని చెప్తారు, నచ్చకపోతే బాగాలేదు కూడా చెప్తారు. సో మీరు రెడీ అయిపోండి అని చాలామంది చెప్పారు. సో ఆయనకి చూపించినప్పుడు లిటరలీ వీఆర్ like how he is going to respond. We were like really like we are confident about the film, but you know that nervousness when you're giving the exam untundi kada. So but ఆయన బయటికి రాగానే పూరి గారికి షేక్ హ్యాండ్ ఇచ్చి హగ్ ఇచ్చి ఇది పూరి అంటే అన్నారు. Thank you sir. We all worked for the film, but you saw the film and you gave us the confidence. Thank you so much. It's amazing that we are associating with you. And yes, tomorrow 16th April at 5 p.m. we are going to release our first lyrical Mehbooba title song, O Priya Na Priya. So 5 o'clock, you guys have to stay tuned. We are running a small contest. The best talents, you have to send us your cover song for Mehbooba title song, and the best talent will be signed in PC. So wait for tomorrow, and we will be waiting for your talents. And yes, it's an honor to be associated with Dil Raju Garu again and the whole team. And May 11th, yes, I don't know what to say. I'm nervous. I'm excited. Yeah, see you in cinemas May 11th. Thank you so much. And yes, I have to thank the media. From the time teaser came out, the first confidence we got, it came from media. The way you all appreciated our work from teaser to our trailer ki kuda, we have touched 4 million. We were trending #1 for a very long time. And media, thank you so much. It's amazing how you guys support a genuine film like Mehbooba. Thank you so much to media and all the fans out there. You have to wait and watch for Mehbooba. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
ఏంటండి వీడియో నచ్చిందా? అయితే ఓ లైక్ వేసుకోండి, లేదంటే ఓ కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మా వీడియోస్ చూడాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.